to grab this and this, put it here, grab this and put it here, and switch over to edge mode, grab that edge, put it over here. Going to then drag them both out. Going to drag a vertical mode. I'm going to do this, a little bit of this. Going to go into front, move over to the side a little bit, hit L. This is the main window I'll be working in. But do this a little bit, rotate it along the side just a tad bit, grab these two, push them in. Not far, but just enough. Drag that down just a bit. And you see what I'm doing here already. I'm gonna go to texture mode. Tab. Well, this is hiding, so you gotta pretend it's not there. Yeah, I know it sucks to pretend to do so. This is not the greatest texture, but it's somewhat workable. This you might even have to move which way you want. So I'm going to hit tab and jump back into mode. Then go to shaded. Sorry, not shaded, solid. And I'm gonna hit I'm gonna mirror this. Yes, it looks like the ugliest thing in the world, I will admit. But then some things you gotta take time with. Unless you want to do what I did before and just poly round it. And that'll just be a whole lot easier. Save you some time too. And we're going to take the lazy approach and we're going to grab this. Extrude here. Pull that out a bit. Just a bit. Extrude here. Hit G. Move it in. Go to the top. Extrude here. Extrude here. Extrude here. Alt, right click, hit R, shape it up a bit. Shape up a bit. Oh yeah, shape it up a bit. Alt right click. That'll grab everything in range. What else? Grab this. Actually, we're gonna grab the middle. Take it out of it. Not as much. In a bit. I know it really looks really weird right here, but hit S, shrink it in a bit, raise it up a tad bit, push it forward a little bit. Alt R, gonna grab that side. Just want to hit A real quick. It says smooth. Tab mode, and we're gonna select texture, so you see how it is on all sides. Now the top part that's been extruded, that needs a little bit of work. Remind you, all of these aren't properly set up because here's our original, and it looks nothing else like the rest doesn't look like the original. We're gonna have to do those manually. extruding from already made place, just fits the texture in the UV window instead of capturing the same ordinates. So we're gonna grab this side, and then we're gonna hit extrude and tap. That's all. We're gonna run down here by do clipping. Also, I like to highlight this, and we're gonna drag it back. That'll drag everything along the seams. So clipping mode is in effect. Then undo clipping mode. I just do that out of practice. We're gonna grab these seams, extrude, tap. We're gonna go up on the side. We're gonna go forward, and we're going to shrink it a bit and drag it over here. Put clipping back on. Move this back. Great. Extrude again. Grab forward. Shrink backwards a bit. Scale along the X. Yeah, you have to pretty much look at a lot of times. Scale again. Correct these. You can merge them in if you want. So that's all on you. I didn't finish the front, so I'm gonna actually leave that for now. And we're gonna select everything again and hold shift and unselect some other parts. Hit extrude. Gonna go across, gonna pull up a bit. I'm gonna grab the ends here. In vertex mode, push here, highlight, box select, merge, center. Move one, move forward. Now let's hit F. Alright, that was made already. We made a face.